Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to maximize your time with Piso Wi-Fi. Piso Wi-Fi is a popular internet vending machine system where you insert coins to get internet access for a specific duration. For example, you might pay 5 pesos for 30 minutes of connectivity. The system is designed to provide managed access, so truly unlimited time isn't a standard offering. However, understanding its mechanics can help you make the most of your purchase time. To get the most out of your Piso Wi-Fi purchase, be strategic with your connection. Only connect when you genuinely need internet access, and remember to disconnect immediately when you're done browsing or streaming. This prevents background apps from consuming your valuable minutes. Also, keep an eye on the timer, which usually displays your remaining time, helping you manage your usage effectively. While true unlimited time isn't typical, you can explore other avenues for extended access. Often, buying larger time packages, like 20 pesos for 2 hours, provides a better rate than smaller increments. Some vendors might also offer special promotions or daily passes. For truly continuous internet, consider mobile data plans or home broadband, which are designed for longer, uninterrupted usage. It's important to understand that Piso Wi-Fi systems are designed with specific limitations and security protocols. These measures are in place to ensure fair access for all users and to manage network resources efficiently. Attempting to bypass these timers or security features is not recommended, as it can lead to service interruptions or even a ban from the network. Respecting the system ensures a smooth experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.